Ed Levendera reporting. Now, the last time cows went to town in these kinds of numbers was back in 2011. Michelle Rook joins us with a closer look at how this compares to that year.
Clinton, the latest drought monitor still shows around 70% of the U.S. is in some level of drought, and it's deepening in cattle country. However, producers and market analysts say this drought is much different than in the recent past. So while the impact on the cattle market is already being felt, it could intensify in the next few months. The cumulative effect of the drought over the last few years is finally coming to a head, especially for cattle producers, and it's intensified the last few weeks with the extreme heat and dryness. Producers are running out of pasture and forage supplies. Hay stocks are down 7% nationally, and hay is at record high prices, and that's much different than the drought a decade ago.
There's just no place really anywhere in the country that's got any excess hay supplies. And so I think that's going to limit what we can do in terms of sourcing hay. It's going to limit what we can do in terms of relocating some cows compared to that drought.
As a result, Peel says female liquidation recently escalated, pushing down cow prices. Year-to-date beef cow slaughter is up 14%, while inventory is down 2.4% and well off its high.
And from that 2018 peak, we are down about 6.3% on beef cows at this point in time.
And Peel says that liquidation will continue as there's no relief in sight in the latest 90-day outlook.
We'll probably lose another million beef cows this year, or potentially even a little bit more than that.
He says heifer slaughter is also up 4%, with inventory down 3.5% as more heifers are being placed in feedlots versus being kept for breeding, which is key as it indicates the lack of herd rebuilding. Peel adds that feeder supplies are down about 2.7% from 2021. So he thinks the market hole is coming sometime in the fourth quarter, and all these factors could potentially set up another cattle market similar to the 2013-2016 period.